So this course is about food. It's about something that we engage with every day. It's about everyday food, fancy food. It's about ice cream. It's about chocolate. It's about fermentation. It's about spherification. It's about the viscosity of mac and cheese, all kinds of things like that. One way I sometimes describe this course to my friends is I say it's kind of as if you took that show, Chef's Table on Netflix, and you turned it into the science of Chef's Table on Netflix. So this is basically what we do. We invite chefs from all over the world, local chefs, international chefs, and we ask them to tell us about how they think about food and how they create their dishes. And so they come to class, they show us how to do this, and then we break apart the science. So one of the things I love about teaching this course is that every year we have new chefs, and every year I learn something new from them. So one of my favorites is Joanne Chang from Flower Bakery just down the street. Jose Andres is actually coming this fall, although that's still a secret. We have had pizza makers from New York City. We've had a barbecue chef tell us, basically cook ribs for us and tell us all about heat transferring barbecue. So basically you will learn chemistry, physics, biology of food. Turns out these things also apply to chemistry, physics, and biology and all kinds of other things. You will also learn to be an experimentalist. You'll learn to think about how to ask questions about the world around you, how you could answer them. And so every week you will go into our lab, our science and cooking lab, which is a new space with beautiful windows, beautiful light, and you'll cook things, and you'll measure things. You'll measure things like the heat diffusion coefficient of molten chocolate cake, and then you'll eat your lab, and then you'll go home. So our hope is basically that at the end of this, you will not just be a better scientist, you'll also be a better cook. And depending on your background, so Jenna, you come from all different backgrounds, you'll be able to see how food and science really connects and sort of interfaces with so many other fields. Thank you.